It has a switch for rabbit and turtle mode. Turtle mode is basically you only go about 15 miles an hour. The rabbit mode you go about 25. And rabbit mode, if you hit the gas, you will go. You will spin tires.
Full throttle. Really just did spin the tires with both of us in it. Wow. I might have to get one of these. This battery is actually really special. All of the dimensions are typically right within where they need to be.
Yeah.
So that you can kind of just drop things in.
Yeah.
No cutting, no grinding.
It's good.
If you're an installer and you just watched that, that was real. That's a good fit.
Yeah, it really is.
Got 5 mounting tabs on the bottom of that.
The majority of the time, out of the 5, you only really need 2 is on each side. 1, 2, done. Rabbit mode, full throttle.